Saitan Tamil movie summary. Vijay Antony and his boss, Y. G. Mahendra, visiting a psychiatrist. Dinesh tells the doctor that he had been listening to a voice for a few days and it has been troubling him. The voice sounds like that of God. The doctor asks Dinesh to come along with him for a personal treatment where Dinesh tells him that he had killed his friend Ravi. The doctor asks Dinesh to relax and hypnotizes him in his sleep. It is revealed that Dinesh had been recently married to an orphan Aishwarya, Arundhati Nair, who had contacted him through a matrimonial site. After their return from their honeymoon trip, Dinesh starts hallucinating and listening to voices in his head. His best friend Ravi, who comes to help him, gets killed in a car accident due to Dinesh. Dinesh catches the bus and goes a prostitute's place, named Jayalakshmi. Dinesh tries to kill the prostitute as voices had told him to do so. But she runs away, and people catch him. The psychiatrist hypnotizes Dinesh and sends him back to when he was 10 years old. The voice in Dinesh's head keeps telling him to die, and Dinesh sees miserable things around him. After the treatment, the doctor tells Dinesh not to wander off alone and tells his boss that Dinesh has got disturbed memories of his past life. On returning home, a disturbed Dinesh aimlessly runs away from home and reaches Tanjavore in a train. He hears the same voice in his head directing him to that village, and he names Sharma, Gopal, Natraj and Jayalakshmi. As soon as he gets down, he hires an auto to find what happened to him and who is the voice. Upon investigating, he finds a picture of Sharma. Vijay Antony in his previous life was a respected bachelor who adopted a boy Gopal and later married Jayalakshmi, Arundhati Nair. Things go smooth until Natraj, Arav, enters the school. Jayalakshmi and Natraj get close and have a baby who takes the name of Sharma as his father. Though the talks go through the village, Sharma still loves and cares for the baby. One day when Natraj passes through Sharma's house, an angry Sharma tries to rush out and confront Natraj. In this chaos, the baby falls down and dies. Jayalakshmi runs away after this incident. 2 weeks later, both Sharma and Gopal are found dead on the banks of a river and Jayalakshmi, Natraj, are absconding. The case gets closed as they are not tracked down. Unknown to everyone is that Jayalakshmi returns and meets Sharma asking for forgiveness, which he readily does. Jayalakshmi feeds him food which is poisoned, and later Natraj and Jayalakshmi kill him and Gopal for killing their baby. Then, they abandon their bodies near a river bank and run away. A disturbed Dinesh wakes up to find himself in the mental asylum. Aishwarya comes to feed him. Dinesh, who has Sharma's soul inside him, charges upon Aishwarya, who looks like Jayalakshmi. He is sedated and left inside his room for a few days, where Sharma refuses to accept leave Dinesh's body. In the meanwhile, Aishwarya goes missing, leaving behind a letter after she gets a call from Thomas. It is revealed that Aishwarya had married Dinesh just to test a drug on him. But guilt drives her to become a good husband-loving woman, and she refuses to do any harm to him. The drug had caused him to remember his past. Thomas calls up Dinesh and asks him to bring back the shreds of evidence that was stolen from his guest house. When Dinesh comes with it, the gang Aishwarya had worked for reveals to Dinesh that she was a prostitute. Dinesh asks to take Aishwarya away with him. A scuffle ensues, and Dinesh is drugged with high doses of the chemical. This causes him to get extraordinary power while his body is taken over by Sharma, and he takes down everyone and heads to finish Aishwarya. Now Sharma confronts Aishwarya thinking her to be Jayalakshmi, and is at the verge of killing her. Aishwarya, who is pregnant with Dinesh's child, tells him that she doesn't know what he is speaking about and that she is sorry for Dinesh's condition. She also puts forward a wish to be his wife and the mother of his child. She also saves him from getting killed by Dr. Christopher, Kamal Krishna, who runs the drug scam. In the process of saving Dinesh, she gets injured. Sharma, who is in Dinesh's body, kills Dr. Christopher. Aishwarya, Dinesh and Dinesh's mother are in the hospital where Aishwarya is being treated. They get a call from the neighbor that a woman, Jayalakshmi, had come to visit Dinesh. Dinesh goes to his house, where he is informed that that lady had died and that she had asked him for an apology. When Dinesh sees her, he notices that she has a photo held in her hand, the 50-year-old photo of herself and Sharma in it. The Jayalakshmi he appeared to have seen wasn't the real Jayalakshmi. It wasn't his wife, but another lady, Ramya Nambesan. Jayalakshmi had died without Sharma avenging her death. Sharma had left Dinesh's body for good as he is going to be a father soon.